Hey guys, I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Today we're going to be using the Pso-Rite, and this Pso-Rite is a really cool product because it's designed to help us get into our hip flexors. So our hip flexors are really important because sometimes and oftentimes when we sit long periods of time, they're really bunched up and really tight, and they can contribute a ton towards lower back pain and hip pain. So today we're going to show you how we can get in here. So if we come up and look into this, what's cool about the Pso-Rite is also it's got these really cool pads here where they don't stick, they're non-stick here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here, we're going to come down, and we're going to mash our hip into the Pso-Rite. And so first things first, you're going to have to learn how to breathe through this because it is a little bit of an intense hip stretch and mash and mobilization. So we're going to come in, I'm going to have you come and take a look at what this looks like down here. So come take a look, and what we're going to do is, if you notice, I'm going to push my pelvis into it. I'm going to push away. I'm going to find that tender spot, and I'm just going to breathe through that. And this is really tense and tight through this position. The next thing I can do as another mobilization technique is I could bend the knee, I can straighten the leg, I can bend and straighten just to get some fascial pulling. And then another way, we can kind of external and internal, and we can also drop our hip into that. So this is how we will mash and mobilize the psoas muscle and the hip flexors using the Pso-Rite. You know, this is a new tool for me, and it's really aggressive, and I like it because if you really have a tight hip flexor, this will definitely do the job. So guys, check this out, and I will leave a link for you guys to get the Pso-Rite at a discounted rate. So check it out, guys. Found it really helpful, and that you can actually feel the mobility increasing almost instantaneously, guys. I will see you guys next time. Thanks again. Bye.